What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect PostgreSQL on n8n. So guys, the first step, open your n8n, click create a workflow. From here click out first step, search for post, as you can see here guys, PostgreSQL, this one. So guys, from here click the first result and the credential connection, create new credentials. From here write your host and database and user and password and the max number of connections. For example, this one, a host and port and your username and password. From here password, a database, this is the database Postgre. This is all information, password, as I say, SSL mode and row. This is all information guys. You see from here, you can get this information from your account on PostgreSQL. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. For example guys, this one, Postgre random, as you can see here guys, random SQL. All you have to do, just come with your information and copy here to save your information. This is how you can do guys. Thanks again for watching this video.